This is a recording of the sewer line from 1206 North Allen Place. We are 116 feet out, approximately. Coming back. The date is 2/23/18. Pulling back. This is a shared line with both neighbors to the west. See some root intrusion there at about 95 feet. Roots are concerning because they're coming in at the bottom of the pipe, which is more apt to cause backups, slowing sewage and waste down. Goes through the pipe. Another root there at 88. So we've got running water. This is a plastic section of the sewer that's been redone. There's a tie-in above, 6-inch tie-in. Coming back still. The large root at 74 feet. Another large root at 65. This is the most major one. Is here at 60. That definitely needs a jetter. The cable is not going to be able to remove very much of that root. 58 feet, another root. Root there. Got a tie-in there, possibly a downspout or possibly the neighbor's tie-in at 50 feet. Coming back from there, the pipe's relatively clean, the first 40 feet or so. This was ran from a clean out in the basement. Technician is Casey. Signing out.